Greece will allow Brits to enter into the country with their NHS vaccination card as proof they are protected against the virus, in a move aimed at encouraging tourism this summer. Health authorities in Britain and Europe are currently creating a digital vaccine passport scheme for holidaymakers. However, Greek authorities have said in the meantime, a vaccination paper certificate will be accepted for British travellers. The British government is looking to negotiate bilateral agreements with countries such as France, the USA and Germany to allow for a vaccine passport scheme for tourists to be in place by the 28th of June. From the 17th of May, ministers will likely allow international travel again, and introduce a traffic light system for countries. This will mean a select number of destinations on the green list will have no requirement to quarantine on your return to the UK.
Starting with Europe, your safest bet is probably the likes of Malta and Gibraltar. Infection rates in Portugal are also very low. The Transport Secretary, Grant Shapps, has also said that individual islands will be given their own traffic light ratings. That means we won't be in that crazy situation we were last summer, hopefully, where entire countries were off limits just because of a high infection rate, say on the mainland. A little further afield, Israel is looking good, as is Morocco. And for long haul, we'll likely see holidays restarting to the Caribbean islands, the majority of which I'd imagine will land on the green list, fingers crossed. The good news is that the list can only get longer. Countries are slowly getting their vaccination rates higher and the world's becoming safer.
Most countries are developing plans to allow either proof of vaccination or a negative coronavirus test as a requirement when entering. However, British tourists will likely be limited by the government's quarantine scheme, which will restrict travel to most places. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen said on Sunday that all 27 EU member states will allow tourists this summer who have received a vaccine approved by European regulators. These include Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Moderna and the Johnson & Johnson jabs. Stephen Edgington, The Sun.